Good afternoon, everyone. Ooh, my hair looks terrible today. Being such a girl, aren't I? We're at Lake Ozarks on the Strip. And it's Wednesday. We're having a pre-party lake shootout, which is this weekend. So I think you see Julie back there. Where is Julie? Say hey, Ju. Hi. See, yeah. So show you some of the boats here out on the Strip. Hang on here. Let me flip the cam. Oh, here we are. So I will put some footage up here of the boats. It is cloudy. Not as hot as it has been. It's cooled off quite a bit. Oh, here's one of the first race boats. And that's how most of them get here. This will be running Saturday and Sunday. Shootout. Awesome. The biggest race that is, I do believe, non-sanctioned in the United States. So it's hard to believe the size of these boats. It's got dual 500s on it. A lot of vendors. Julie's back there staggering around. Put some more video up. We're just coming in right now to the Strip. First time experience. We're here for the endurance race, but haven't been here for the shootout. Shootout goes all weekend. But this is Wednesday at the Strip, the downtown experience. I will catch you later.